nice.
That's what Josh is going to bring mom and dad later.
Over there is really messed up.
Yeah. Oh, you're going to be on the YouTube. Ugh. Put me on the YouTube. Do not put me on YouTube. Stop. I didn't get you.
This is way better than it was.
Yeah. It was crazy through here.
Yeah.
But Burnsville, they had to drive their side by side as far as they could go and then hike 6 miles to get their kid, Dan and Shannon,
Oh my gosh.
to get Justin and them out.